These two filters has the same flow capacity, same raw material, same function, but there are some differences. Here, this is our regular model glass membrane. This one is our main pipe disassembly-free glass membrane. Both of them are glass membrane. The difference is here. This one is the main pipe disassembly-free, means when we want to take out the membrane, no need to open the main pipe. So it's easier to put the membrane into the housing or get out the membrane from this housing. This regular one, when we want to take out the membrane, we need to open the main pipe and then take out the membrane. So, which one do you like better?